好，我们今天要来骑 Tunitas 从 Page 庙上去，给嘉义打个招呼。
Hello。
好，我们看看，然后有这个英令，还有他的 German friend Francis， 然后 Mark， 还有我们自己的 Francis。好，我们等一下准备出发。All right, starting from Page Mill.
Oh, 好，难怪你转那么快。That's okay. The total weight is still nothing.
Alright, that's very nice. Hello guys. Alright, these guys are fast. Okay, Johnny is here. Francis is coming. And then Mark is coming.
Brakes, do they work? Just now there was some downslope. Yeah.
All right, here comes Mark. Good climb. This way, right?
Depends on whether you want to try.
Yeah. Last time we take another.
Last time we took that. That's more work, right?
Yeah.
It's more work.
Yeah.
Seems like the country.
Okay, just for Mark, let's go this way.
But this way, it's going to. Indy is going to. Oh, well, you got the pull from windbreaker here.
Yeah, the two of you take turn. Oh, gotcha. Yes, exactly. That's what I was talking.
Okay.
Oh, gotcha style.
Win solo, okay.
Yeah, that's already happened.
No, if I go solo, I would never find home, back home.
Okay, wait for Yingli. All right, let's go. OK， 我们到了中间休息的地方。OK， get some stuff. All right, time to go. All right, Mark, go. Turning to Highway 1. Go ahead, guys, for the video. Alright， 现在转进，从 Highway 1转进来，这边有很多马。The famous red house. Alright, sun is coming up. Coming out, just pleasant. Oh. Mark. See all the redwood. Beautiful. Oh, start to block. Good strategy. So beautiful, huh? Watch out. All right. See the group here. All right.你觉得可以 ？OK。Cross the street 加一试过，他说那个不错。
哪一个？
在对面。
刚才那个 market 2
OK， 从这边正在准备。终于破风了，喝太多了，是不是？ 在 videotape。OK。左转 right? Left turn? I think so. Yes, left turn. Let's go. Yes, we're here. Page Mill Parking, right? All right. Good to see everybody back. See Francis here.
What a great bike ride.
Nice ride, man.
Yeah, really great. Thanks for taking me.
It's good to have you here. All right. Good job, man. Francis back.
Hey, that's right.
Thanks for taking
Yeah.
me.
What a ride. Mark, you missed the fist bump.
Francis, yeah, look forward to ride again.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hopefully.
in Germany.
Germany.
Yes.
Germany, Italy,
After,
France,
yeah.
Spain.
Our Pavacha.
Yeah, Alpaca. Alright.
I actually just too much for the ride.
I know.
You guys are, your mind is not working.
Not only that, your body is trying to digest the alcohol.
Yeah. I was like,
It's more about the alcohol.
I think it's more about the alcohol.
yeah, it was too much. IPA is good.
Yeah, the IPA is a bit stronger. I only had the lager. Lager is a bit more.
Lager is better.
Yeah.
Well, you're the German. What are you talking about?
Sorry.
That's in your blood. That's in your blood.
That's your water.